Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Mazda BT50 stock number 6020. This ran from 11th 2006 to 09/2011. Has a WEAT 3 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a WEAT 3 litre diesel engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left front mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 4 dents, right front headlight needs polish, right front guard 1 dent, right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,